Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make these fancy stone and nug earrings. So first of all, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get free notifications of my coming videos. Now take a piece of glitter sheet and I will use it as a base. Now from the back side, draw a large drop shape with the help of pencil and cut it. And now I will make another drop shape smaller in size inside this bigger one, and the space or gap between them should be at least 6 mm, and I will cut it with the help of hobby knife. Detach this inner piece and I will use this one as a base. Apply fabric glue on the inner side and paste a stone chain. I'm using a red color stone chain. And complete the round. Apply white glue outside this inner round and again use the same stone chain to make a second round. Now after the second round, do a third one as well using the same process and cut the extra glitter sheet from the outside if there is any, and this is how you can make the piece. Take another piece of glitter sheet and cut it exactly in the same size and shape what we did earlier. Now take a clipped stone, apply glue on its backside and paste a piece of glitter sheet on its backside as well. Now take a loop pin of large size and apply hot glue on the back side of the stone and paste it like this. Then again apply hot glue and stick a piece of glitter sheet. Now take that drop shape piece which we already made and take a small size loop pin, apply hot glue on its pointed end and press that loop pin against it. Now apply hot glue on the whole drop shape backside and stick this second piece of glitter sheet. Now these two pieces are we have to just join them. First take this piece and make a loop with the help of a plier. Now take that stone part and open its loop and take that drop shape patch and insert its loop into that open loop of the stone part and then close the loop. Now cut the extra part of the pin if you feel it's too long, and then using the plier turn it to make it a shape of earring hook. So the final step is ready, and so is the earring. I hope you will like the tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get free notifications of my coming videos.